As someone who hates rain, I'm excited that it's raining here because we actually really need it. Hi, I'm the third shift couponer. We are outside the Walgreens today, and like I said, it's raining. Ignore all the raining sounds, but Walgreens, after last week, kind of irritated me. I almost came back here, but then I heard there was still problems with people not being able to clip coupons that, like, I tried going in and putting some more deals together, like, on my app, and coupons weren't showing up. They weren't attaching to things. I heard, like, I had problems at CVS on Sunday. Coupons weren't showing up. Luckily, they did for me on Monday, but I thought, like, I just forgot to clip them or, whatever. But I don't know if it's specifically P&G coupons. I guess I never really looked, but never made it back to Walgreens like I wanted. That's just kind of how it is. So hopefully this week goes a lot better. Hopefully, like, I had no problems clipping coupons this morning. It looks like they extended the PG spend booster in the app till Monday the 10th. Yes. So if you wanted to do that, hopefully it would go through and stack with some other deals. But there's a printable breakdown just in case you do want to take it to the store with you. Otherwise, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. We have a super hot deal, and it's totally different than doing it online. So you can do this deal online, but online there's a booster for getting $4 in Walgreens cash. In store, it's $8 in register rewards. So just be careful if you do plan on doing this deal, but select Gillette, Old Spice, or Secret deodorants are on promotion for buy one, get one 50% off. Buy 4, get $8 in register rewards, and for at least one of these products, you're going to grab the relaxing lavenders. Then for the other 3, it doesn't really matter, but all the products I'm going to be grabbing are $9.99. Just to make it easy on myself, I grabbed 4 of the relaxing lavenders, and 2 of them are going to be full price. 2 of them are going to be 50% off. So grabbing a total of 4, my total will be $29.97. For one of them specifically, we have a $3 off of one relaxing lavender. That's why we're grabbing that one. And we have a $5 off of 3 for the other 3 of them. You'll be left to pay $21.97 at the register. We're going to get the $8 in register rewards for purchasing 4. Plus, we're going to take a receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $4 back. It's a limited one, and you have to purchase 3 of them for that promotion. So it'll make all 4 of them just $9.97. This is a really amazing deal, but it is a repeat deal from last week. So if you haven't done it, I highly recommend doing it. It is the last week of this, according to the sale tag for this promotion. They're on Axe products for buy one, get one 50% off. Buy 2, get $3 in register rewards. The cheapest way to do this deal is to grab the sticks at $7.49. So you'll grab one at full price, one at 50% off. Your total will be $11.23. We have a $7 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $4.23 at the register. We'll get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $1.23 for both. This is a repeat deal, but it is better than last week. So it is on Gillette Venus non-disposable razors. They're on promotion for buy 2, get $8 in register rewards. Last week it was $6 in register rewards. Now I did verify this week, so the first product you're going to grab is the Gillette Fusion 5. This is the one with the 2 cartridges for $13.99. Next, you're going to come grab the Venus Comfort Glide for $9.99. You can also grab the Venus Mini for $9.99, or you can grab the Extra Smooth for $9.99. The best way to do this one is to grab the Smooth one at $8.99, but my store is out and yours may be too, so these are some options to grab instead, and they're only $1 more. Grabbing both of these products, your total will be $23.98. For the men's razor, we have a $5 only for you digital coupon, and for the women's razor, we have a $3 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $15.98 at the register. We'll get the $8 in register rewards for buying 2, making them $7.98 for both. So we have a couple decent hair care deals. So Garnier Fructis is our first one. They're on our normal sale price for $4.49. There's no promotion with this, but they're bringing back the My Walgreens coupons, which is a store coupon. So that will stack with a manufacturer coupon. So you'll clip both of them to your account. So you'll get a total of $6 off. So if you grab 2 of these at $4.49, your total will be $8.98. With the $6 in coupons coming off, it'll make them $2.98 for both. Now, if you're newer to Walgreens, this is where it definitely gets confusing. So if you are using some sort of booster or a paper booster, the My Walgreens coupons count against your booster. So let's say you need to spend $20 and you're grabbing the Garnier as part of your deal. Since you're using a My Walgreens coupon, I always add it to my total, so I'll have to spend $23 instead. Our next deal follows that same kind of mentality. So it's on the L'Oreal Elvive. They're on sale for $5.49. There's no promotion with this, but you'll grab two of them for $11.98. We have a $3 My Walgreens coupon, which, like I said, is a store coupon, which will stack with a $3 manufacturer coupon. So I'll take off a total of $6 for these, making them $5.98 for both. Our last hair care deal is on the Herbal Essences. They're part of our promotion for buy two, get $2 in register rewards. I think it's Herbal Essence products in Aussie in that promotion. But grabbing a total of two of the $7 ones, your total will be $14. We do have a $6 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $8 at the register. Get the $2 register reward for buying two, making them $6 for both. Super hot deal on the Batiste dry shampoo. They're on promotion for buy one get one free, which is a great deal to begin with, but there's also another amazing deal to stack with this. So there's two ways to do this. The first way is to grab the 3.81 ounce can, so they're the $13.49 price. You'll grab two of those and you'll pay that at the register since there's no coupons, but you'll submit your receipt to Swagbucks for 500 Swagbucks on this size can, making them $8.49 for two. Or you can grab these larger ones. These are like the 5.7 ones for $16.99. You'll pay the $16.99 at the register because once again there's no coupons. Submit to Swagbucks for 800 Swagbucks when buying two, making these $8.99 for both. So I feel like if you use this brand, this is a great stock up price. I kind of feel like the body wash deals really didn't change from last week, but Olay is on promotion for buy three, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $8. Now, someone brought this up to me that the tag didn't reflect the sale, kind of like these do. And I do want to point that out that not all sales tags have enough room, or they don't want to advertise all the sales. I'm not sure. But they don't always say the sale like this one does. So that's why it's always important to watch someone like me that does the breakdowns or to check the ad for yourself. If you don't believe me, always check the ad. It's free to look, it's really easy to find, and it has a search bar, so it's super easy. Anyway, grab 3 Olay body wash for a total of $24. Use a $5 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $19 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying 3, making them $14 for all 3. Or if you prefer, you can grab the Old Spice body wash. They're on the same promotion. So buy 3, get $5, and they're $8 as well. So grab a total of 3 of them for $24. Use a separate $5 digital coupon. Pay the $19 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying 3, making them $14 for all 3 as well. Now for Old Spice and Olay, I always recommend to do them in a separate transaction from each other. I'm not sure if they're still tied into the same promotion they used to be. Next deal we have is on this Old Spice Gentleman Super Hydration Body Wash. They're on promotion for buy 2, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $13. You'll grab a total of 2 of them for $26. We have a $7 digital coupon. You'll pay $19 at the register, get the $5 register reward for buying 2, making them $14 for both. Our last body wash deal is a repeat deal, but it's still pretty decent, and it's on the Nivea Men. So if you like this, I have actually been forced to use this one lately, but it's not bad. It's not bad. It doesn't smell bad, and it cleans my skin pretty well. So anyway, they're on promotion for buy 2, get $5 in Walgreens cash, and they're on sale for $5. Grab your 2 favorite scents for a total of $10, and you'll pay that at the register. We'll get the $5 in Walgreens cash for buying 2, making them $5 for both. Easy beginner friendly deal. You're gonna grab these Colgate Optic White Pro Series. They're on sale for $9. We have a $6 digital coupon, so it'll make it just $3. It's not attached to any kind of promotion, so it's just an easy, very simple, basic deal. Basically, printable laundry deals are the same as last week. If you want to do them, they're buy 4 get $2 in register rewards. Not going to go over them. It's our normal deal, but I do want to point out that I found 2 clearance tags. So one's the Downy April Fresh Scent Beads, half off. They were for the $14.99 price. They are $7.49. Obviously, there isn't any. And then there's the Gain. What was it? It looks like it was a softener, I want to say. And it's half off at $5.79. And I think it was the Gain softener. So definitely check your stores for those 2 clearance products. And if you know of any more, or your store sells or has more clearance tags in the laundry department, drop them in the comments below so everyone can start looking for them. Also, while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. It only takes 2 seconds and it's completely free. So there's a great deal on Charmin. Okay, maybe it's not great, but it's an okay deal on Charmin if you like Charmin. But it's only if your store carries it. So you're going to look for the 12 equals 72 rolls. My store doesn't have it. It's on sale price for $21.99. And when you buy one, you get $3 in register rewards. And there's a $3 digital coupon. So it will make it $15.99, which I don't think is a bad price. Because, I mean, this is the 12 equals 48. And that would be like the normal sale price of this product. Scott products are on promotion for buy one get one 50% off. So the first product you're going to grab is the 12 family rolls, the $5 every day one, and you're going to grab a total of 2 of them. Grabbing 2 of them will be $7.50. We have a $2 digital coupon, which will make them $5.50 for both. You can also grab the Scott paper towels. I almost lost my mind there. They're the same promotion, and they're also the $5 every day. You're going to look for the 6 rolls, so 2 of them will be $7.50. We do have a $2 digital coupon for these as well. You get them $7 or $5.50 for both. Gatorade water is on promotion, 3 for $6, and we have a buy one get one free coupon. So last time it took off $4 instead of like $2, so you can grab 3 of them for just $2 if your store has 3 of them. My store only has 2 of them, unfortunately. I feel like I say this deal all the time, but Walgreens, your brand storage baggies are buy one get 2 free, and so you'll grab 3 of them for $2.79. This is a great deal, A, because you're saving money on products that you probably use every day anyway, and B, they're better and cheaper than the dollar store ones because you're grabbing 3 of them for less than $3. And I know they're better than I've never bought the dollar store ones, but this is the stuff I use at my house, and they're actually like good quality. I've never tried the full top ones, but I always use the sandwich bag ones. This is the one that I stock up on, but I think they're good quality, especially for the price we pay. So this week for soda deals, Pepsi is on promotion 2 for $12.99. But if you look at them online, they show up as 4 for $23.98. But that's okay because you really want to grab 4 of them anyway because we have a $3 off of 4 digital coupon. So make all 4 of them $20.98. Otherwise, for the rest of the soda, Dr. Pepper is 3 for $15.99. Or Coke products are buy 2 get 2 free, so they'll be $23.98 for all 4. So the best deal this week, depending if what you like. Dr. Pepper is always usually really cheap, but Mountain Dew, that's actually not that bad of a price either, especially if you don't have a DG near you like I don't. A really good deal is on the DiGiorno pizzas. They are 2 for $10, which makes them $5 a pizza. I think that's actually like a really good price, especially if you like the rising crust ones. All right, we're back in from checkout, and it basically stopped raining, which is super nice for now. I did 2 separate transactions because I had a lot of register rewards that were expiring today. Of course, we're not going to waste them, so I did 2 separate transactions, and I grabbed 1 product I originally wasn't going to grab, but the first one I did was the Axe deodorant. Like I said, this deal is really good. So that's what I grabbed. I grabbed half off, full price. I had a $3 register reward for this one, and then a $7 coupon I blanked. So I paid $1.23. Now you might be like, why didn't you put them all together? This store, I don't know if it's the system here or like the employees, but they will only take 3 register rewards plus like a store booster. They said that any more than 3 will like the system will kick them off or something. I don't know. So I only planned for 3 for each transaction. So for my second transaction, this is where we had some problems. I grabbed the Secret, the Gatorade water, and the Colgate for this deal. Now, unfortunately, I didn't realize, I think I know where I messed up on one of them, but this is what the receipt looks like. So 2 of the 50% off Secrets, and then we have the Gatorade, so 3 for $6, the Colgate toothpaste, and then this full price Secret. I found a point booster in the trash when I was walking in, so I used that. Then I had 2 $10 register rewards plus a $5 register reward. Then for digital coupons, we have the $6 for the Colgate toothpaste, $5 for the Secret, $1 for the Gatorade. Now, when I was clipping coupons, there was $1 for, it looked like regular Gatorade. I guess I didn't look through all the items, and because when I scanned this, the Gatorade in store, that one didn't show up. It just showed up as a buy one get one free coupon. So I'm assuming the $1 one also attaches to this, so just be careful on that. I've actually never tried Gatorade water. If you know me, I don't really drink water. I have to add flavor packets to it. So that's what it is. Then for the Secret, the $3 specifically for the lavender, and that's why I grabbed 4 lavender. That one didn't come off, so I'll have to reach out to customer service for that. So that one you may have to have your cashier force off. At my store, I only have one cashier that will force apply coupons. She wasn't here, so it is what it is. I'll reach out to customer service for the $3. But my subtotal was $7.96. So I'll be getting $3 in Walgreens cash from customer service. I did get the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20 for the point booster. And then, yeah. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got $4 there. I submitted to Fetch for the Colgate deal. I totally forgot about that. You always submit your receipt to Fetch. Like, you want to do as many Fetch receipts as you can, right? And then, yeah, like I said, I totally forgot about that. So I got an extra $1.50 from Fetch. So it makes my whole haul roughly $4 before Walgreens cash earned and register rewards earned. And speaking of register rewards, I did receive the $8 register reward for buying the 4 deodorants plus the $3 register reward for buying the Axe deodorant. So Walgreens cash earned and register rewards earned worked out perfectly. Coupons, not so much. But that's just kind of the deal with Walgreens. I feel like that's why their customer service is more accepting of giving you your Walgreens cash worth of coupons, because they know their system sucks. So don't feel like you're the only one reaching out to customer service for your coupon not coming off, because I'm sure Sunday is like a huge mess, and they staff extra customer service representatives for that reason. But anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.